The following message is transmitted at the request of the Minneapolis Police Department. Residents in the Minneapolis metropolitan area need to shelter in place immediately. An extremely dangerous individual has escaped the Minneapolis Mental Health Care Center and is causing mass havoc. The individual is white male, unknown age, standing 6 feet 3 inches tall and weighing 220 pounds. He was last seen wearing a black jumpsuit. He may be carrying a duffel bag with multiple automatic weapons in it. If you see this individual, dial 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information.